My name is Minmay Chakraborty. I am working as a electronics vocational trainer at Chourangi High School. My training provider name is Orient Edutech Private Limited. Today's topic is computer hardware and brief description of all parts of computer. Computer hardwares are computer case, power supply, motherboard, expansion cards, processor chip, storage device, and input and output peripherals. It is another picture of basic components of computer hardware. Now we will discuss about what is computer case. A computer case is a steel, aluminum or plastic enclosure which contains most of the components of computer. It is also known as tower, cabinet, system unit or base unit. It is available in different size and shapes. It has points, slots and screws for various components to be fit into. A typical tower is shown in the following figure. Now we will discuss about motherboard. The main printed circuit board or PCB in a computer that holds the microprocessor, provides socket and slots to connect the other peripherals of the computer, and connects the power supply to various other electronics parts. It is also called as a system board or main board and allows the components to communicate with each other, making it a complete working unit. It also has a provision for initial setup of computer after power is turned on, which is the basic input-output system or boot firmware. The motherboard also contains slots and provision for expansion cards. Sometimes another board called a daughter board is connected to the main motherboard for providing further expandability. Now we will discuss about slots or expansion slots. An expansion slot is a slot in the motherboard used to add an expansion card. The extra expansion card provides extra features to a computer such as video, sound, graphics and Ethernet. The number of expansion slots that a system can have depends on the physical arrangement of the case and motherboard. Some of such slots are CPU slot, RAM slot, peripheral component interconnect slot, PCI Express slot. Now we will discuss about expansion cards. The circuit boards which are inserted in the slots are called expansion cards. These expansion cards allow a computer system to connect and communicate with its peripherals. Some expansion cards are graphics card, sound card and network interface card. Now we will discuss about ports. A port serves as an interface between the computer and other computers or peripheral devices. The ports vary depending on the kind of equipment that will be connected to the ports, such as to connect a monitor, webcam, speakers. Commonly used ports are PS2 ports, VGA port, serial port, USB port, Ethernet port and TRS ports. Now we will discuss about power supply unit or PSU. PSU converts the AC power to low voltage direct current power, vital for the internal components of the PC. The following image shows a PSU. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.